Every safe arrival begins long before the first mooring line is secured. But what if you could experience your port entry before you even cast off? Introducing Admiralty Virtual Ports, a revolutionary 3D simulation environment designed to transform how mariners prepare for complex pilotage. Explore your vessel and its surroundings with total freedom, gaining unparalleled spatial awareness. Let's step onto the bridge. With Admiralty Virtual Ports, you can simulate your entire passage plan. By moving along the route, navigation teams can conduct highly immersive briefings. Visualize sea surface currents, interact with clickable landmarks to review critical details, and familiarize the bridge team with the environment, all in a fraction of the time. Encountering hazards requires absolute precision. As we pause near a dangerous wreck marker, a seamless switch to free view deploys a virtual drone perspective, allowing you to inspect the area from the water level. But we don't stop at the surface. Drop the camera below the waterline to inspect the seabed topology in real time, visualizing the unseen environment beneath your vessel. With the hazards safely assessed, we return to the bridge and resume our approach. Arriving at a narrow port entry is often the most critical phase of a voyage. Free view elevates your perspective, literally. Transition into a true bird's-eye view to gauge your ship's exact position, drift, and heading relative to the breakwaters and tight turning basins. To ensure maximum safety during these constrained maneuvers, we dive below the surface once more. Here, you can view your hull exactly as it sits in the water and activate the under-keel clearance display. Based on your inputted ship parameters, Admiralty Virtual Ports instantly calculates and visualizes the exact distance between your keel and the seabed. Familiarize, prepare, navigate with confidence. Admiralty Virtual Ports.